Hello students. I wanted to record a short video to help you with accessing academic journals. And so I'm going to show you two platforms that you can use in order to do this. So the first one is Google Scholar. And we did talk about this briefly in class, but I want to just refresh your memories in case you have forgotten. So simply go to scholar.google.com and then you will be given this search box where you can put in your topic. Let's see, we were doing bioethics, which is why this is coming up. And then it will generate maybe some common topics. And once you hit the search button, you will be given a list of books and articles. This is from the Journal of Law, it looks like. And remember, I did mention these that have the links on the right are going to be immediate access to the full article. And so to save time, if it's just an assignment where you need to bring articles to class, this saves a lot of time because you can quickly see the full article, see if it's something that you want to use, and then you have the option to download it here. So you can save it to your computer, you can bring it to class. Also, if you're doing a paper and you're gathering your research, you would probably want to download your sources so that you have them all together and you can access them. So we can see this is the entire journal article. And going back, I want to show you one nice trick here. In Google Scholar, if you go to the quotation marks, it generates the citation for you. So we're using APA. You simply copy and paste and put this right on your reference page for your paper. Awesome. So that is Google Scholar. And I just recommend that you come on here and kind of play around, search different topics, see what kinds of journals come up. You can explore with the books too and see what you have access to. So then when you have assignments, you feel comfortable using this, this platform. Okay, so the second way I'm going to show you how to access academic journals is through the WKU website. So once you come here, go to My WKU, and we are going to access the library. Perfect. From this page, we go to the left-hand tabs, and we want the database A through Z. And this is going to allow us to search numerous databases. So if you know which one you want to go to, you can use the browse by title. But while we're new to it, I just suggest you kind of explore and see what's available. You'll notice that a lot of them are subject area specific. So this is specifically plant biologists, and the articles will be around that science. Here's a business, economics. Then there's some that come up as general, like this one. And so I'm actually going to show you two that fall under the general category. So from those databases, you can actually search any subject and see what comes up. This one I highly recommend, the Directory of Open Access Journals. See how it's general here. And then also the JSTOR here. Also a general database. So let's just look at what happens when we go into one of these and we search. So let's go with our bioethics topic that we've been looking at through this first skill. And so if we put that in, we see that we are getting 2,400 results. Most of these are actually book chapters. And since we are specifically looking for journals, we can narrow down the search to just journals by clicking here. There we go. So it will narrow it down and just show us the journal articles. So it's nice and simple because over here we can see we can download it, we can cite it, we can cite our source here and get the generated MLA APA. Again, we're using APA, so we can copy it and then paste it right onto our reference page. So let's just look at what happens if we download from this site. We should again have the option to save it to our downloads on our computer so that we can access it at a later date or bring it to class if necessary. Great. So here is the article, the authors, the abstract, and then it starts into the article. And here is again where you can download directly onto your computer. Okay, so as with Google Scholar, I suggest that you just come to the library database through WKU and just kind of play around and maybe look at your journals that are in your area of interest. So science and engineering for this one, some more that are general, and there were a couple up above 2 that are ebooks. When we get to that and you need multiple types of sources, you can also access ebooks here. So yeah, I just think spend some time with it, see how it works, and then you will be comfortable and ready to tackle any assignment that requires research or you accessing this type of academic journal. Great. I hope that was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in class very soon.